So to start our construction pieces, we're going to need some different shapes that we can trace onto our cardboard. You can use lids from different containers. You can use fun shaped cookie cutters. I've got a bell shape right here. Just anything you think would make a great shaped cardboard piece for you to build with. You're also going to need some cardboard to cut your shapes out of, some paper towel, toilet paper, any kind of cardboard tube that you might have, a pen to trace your shapes, and scissors to actually cut everything out with. So next you're going to take your box and just pop it open. Take your different shapes and we're going to trace them into the cardboard here. Let's see how many we can fit on. And just trace them all onto the cardboard. And if they're a little bit crooked, that's okay. You can straighten them up when you go to cut them out. See if we can fit that in there. And once you have everything traced onto your cardboard, you can start to cut things out. And again, if it's a little bit crooked, that's okay. We can always start to trim them up once we get all of them cut out. Just trim those crooked edges. Get a little bit more smooth. Once you have all of your pieces cut out, you can start to put notches on them so that they can be put together. So you're just going to take your pen or your pencil and you can draw a line on wherever you think that those notches should go. And you can do different amounts of notches. You can do one on each side, you can do two on each side. It's however you want your little notches to be on there. And once you've drawn them all on, you can start to cut them. And again, you just make little notches into the sides of your pieces. If you have a ruler or a measuring tape, you can try to measure it out and make them a little bit more evenly dispersed. Get them a little bit more uniform. Or you can just put them on there at random and see how they go. And to tie in with your pieces, you're going to take your toilet paper tubes and again just cut some little notches on those and get them ready to go. If you want to have some extra sizes, you can try cutting your tubes in half and make some notches on the other sections as well so that you have different pieces you can cut together. Once you've got all your pieces cut out, you can start to build. You just take those little notches we made and you can slide them together and add on however you want them to go, however you made your notches, and just see what kind of things you can build. If it gets a little bit wonky, maybe you need to add more pieces to even it up. It's just a chance to kind of explore and play and see what you can make.